Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today at Extreme Motorsports. We got in his 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera. Came in for a few things. One of them is a motorized front license plate. Tuck it away, reveal it when you need to. Also, got the calipers done in red with black letters. Got 50% tints. And also did Porsche logo puddle lights, which are built into the lenses there. Kind of hard to see out here during the day, but they are on there. Thank you guys for watching.